Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. As I said earlier in my part 1 for the water hardness testing video, that I will be creating a part 2 for the water that is coming out of the softener, that is to test the hardness of water that comes out of the softener in a way to check whether it is effective or not. So here I am and I have recorded a video wherein the sample water which is from the outlet of the softener has been taken, and this time I will be using agent D1 because this water would be soft, and I'll demonstrate what is the hardness, and details would be there in the video, and you can see the video and subscribe to my channel and keep liking my videos.
This is the sample water that I have taken, and as per the process which I mentioned earlier in my part 1, you can see the video part 1 how to test this. I will be adding the agents, agent B and then the specs of agent A to dye the water to pink. Since this water is soft, it would be fairly light pink, and the color change from light pink to light blue will be very thin, and you have to be very cautious. I'll be adding drops of D1, and let's see the results. Here, if you notice, I have added almost 15 drops of D1, and 15 drops of D1 means 15 ppm of hardness. And I can see the color change from light pink to light blue.